Hello Saxo friends, Cajun here, the Sax Habit Coach, bringing you the best practice tips, tools and ideas to help you as a beginner saxophone player develop the practice habits and routines to master your saxophone faster. Now my purpose is to serve, motivate and to inspire you. Now in today's video, I am going to show you how to play your C sharp major triad. Now playing in C sharp on the saxophone is not very easy, but if you practice it, it can become easier and easier. So the three basic notes in the C sharp major or D flat major, you can think of it both ways because C sharp is enharmonically D flat. So you can think of it either ways. So I'm going to use C sharp. The three basic notes in the C sharp major triad are your C sharp. So you're holding down everything here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pinky finger goes down here, right? And then this pinky finger goes down over here, right here, okay? So that's your C sharp, and then you are going to go up to your E sharp, which technically is your F, okay? Your F, right here, your F. So 1, 2, 3, and then your F. And then you are going to go to your G sharp over here, okay? This pinky finger right here. So C sharp, your E sharp, which is your F, and your G sharp. And then we're going to go to the first inversion, which is going to be your E sharp, which is your F. Then you're going to go to your G sharp, and then you open everything up here to get your C sharp. And then the second inversion, we're going to go to G sharp, okay, 1, 2, 3, pinky over here, G sharp, open C, and then octave key with your 1, 2, 3, and your F right here to get that E sharp. We're going to do that, and then we're going to rinse and repeat the process up top with the octave key. So we're going to go open without the octave key, then we're going to go to your E sharp, which is your F, with the octave key, then you're going to go to your G sharp at the top, 1, 2, 3, pinky finger, okay? Then second inversion, we're going to go G sharp, then we're going to go to open C sharp with the octave key, and then we're going to play that high E sharp, which is your high F. So all you're holding down is your middle C right here, middle C with the octave key, and then this finger right here to get your F, front F. So you're only playing these two fingers to get front F, right here, and that's front F, okay? And then we are going to reverse the process and go all the way back down to your low C sharp. And then we're going to go all the way through the entire range of the horn. C sharp, E sharp, G sharp, up to C sharp, and we're going to keep ascending, and then we're descending. Now, if you want to take this to another level, you can play through all the keys, which is an advanced level. You're going from C to your E up to your G, and you go down to your E, and then you're going to land on your C sharp and start the next triad. And then you're going to go up and down, and you land and start on your D, and you keep ascending in that order. Now to learn your C major triad or your G major triad, you can click in the cards above for those because I've taught those in a previous lesson. Now learning these triads will actually help you to develop good finger technique, because when we're playing these triads on the saxophone, one thing to keep in mind is we cannot play chords like a pianist. You're always practicing intervallically. So playing the triads is a type of intervallic practice, right? So when you're skipping over those notes, you're developing your technique of playing your horn more smoothly. So you want to practice all of these triads through all the keys on your saxophone, all the major keys: C major, C sharp major, D major, E flat, E major, and so on, until you've made it all the way through the entire 12 keys. Now guys, keep on practicing, and as always, push play until something happens. Peace.